I am Paul, and this is Travels with PMB. I am staying in a Studio King bedroom at Hampton Inn and Suites in Intercourse, Pennsylvania. Let's go check it out. Starting from the front door, to the left of the door, you'll find this sink area. Here will be your sink, your ice bucket, your coffee machine. Beneath it, you will find your microwave, some storage. Here will be your fridge, and over here beneath the sink you can put some more items under the sink if you desire for storage. Coming further into the room, here will be a mirror, standing mirror. Right next to the standing mirror are some hooks. You could put some items, some clothes just to place up there. Next to it is the couch, nice size couch, and in front of it a little table. You could put your laptop, you can eat on it. In this corner is a lamp, and a wastebasket is over in this corner as well. Here you will find your heating and air conditioning unit. Your TV is right over here. There's a lamp next to it, and this table here. So this table will serve as another place. It's not really a desk. I wouldn't consider it a desk, just a table. You can use it as a desk, you can use it to eat, multi-purpose table, and a nice swivel chair right in front of it. Here is your bed. On each side of the bed will be storage. There will be lamps on each side of the bed as well. And on this side will be your telephone. As we come further into the room again, right in this corner will be where you can put your coat up. Here, some hangers, some storages here. You see, this is the place where I love a area where I could just put my luggage and just keep it out of the way. Here will be some additional bedding if you need it. And in here will be your ironing board and your iron, and some storage above as well. Here's your thermostat. And as I open these doors, goes right into the bathroom. Huge counter in this bathroom. Your soap, some makeup removers, your tissues here, lotion is here as well. Underneath you will find your hair dryer, as well as your towels, your hand towels, your washcloths. Here is your toilet and your wastebasket and a shower. Shower door, no shower curtain. And in here you will find your shampoo, your conditioner, and your shower gel. So this is the bathroom. I'm gonna give the room a once over. So what do you think about the room? I like the room. I like the area one where the sink is and the microwave and the fridge. So not every room you go into has both a microwave and a fridge. Two, I like the fact that it does have a sofa so you don't have to sit on the bed all the time, as well as this swivel chair that I'm in. And three, I like the fact that the bathroom is a nice size as well. Can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.
Hey, it's time to travel, let the good vibes start. With a suitcase in hand, yeah, that's where we chart. Paul B from NYC, I got the ultimate plan. Let's chase the sun together, you won't need to understand. Oh, when you say let's go